Hey guys, welcome to Indian Buyer, and today we are taking a look at this Xiaomi Soocas So White ES3 3D shaver. But before we go ahead with the review, let's quickly take a look at the packaging and see what things we get inside the box. So with that being said, let's get started. This shaver costs 2500 INR, placing it in the premium level of the men's shaver. It weighs just around 175 grams, and in the box you will receive So White shaver along with the Smart Click beard trimmer, a user manual in Mandarin language, and a USB type plug and play cable. So these are all the things which you get inside the box. Now let's begin with the review. So first thing first, let's talk about the design. Although its name suggests that it is a toothbrush, the So White 3D is instead an electric shaver with 3D technology. And with 3D, it refers to the fact that it has a design with 3 heads that can move independently. So they are able to shave at any angles. In addition to that, the blades that these heads have is a double-edged system which is made from a strong resistance steel imported from Japan, which allow them to cut their hair quickly without having to be sharpened every time. From an aesthetic point of view, the So White 3D electric shaver comes with a design quite similar to the many products of this type that are available in the market, like the Philips EcoTouch shaver, which is there in the market for quite some time. As for the speed, it has two options, high speed and super high speed, and to change the shaving speed we just need to long press the control button for 3 seconds and it's done. It's that convenient. Now talking about the battery, it is powered by a 600 mAh lithium-ion battery, which gives the user 60 minutes of functionality and will have a full charge in about 90 minutes, which is done using a low voltage 5V USB charging via a computer, mobile charging adapter, or you can even use a power bank to charge this electric shaver. Now let's talk about the overall performance. This shaver has a 3-directional flex head which are capable of independent movements that ensure close shave even at neck and jawline. It also comes with a pop-up trimmer. Major use of this is for maintaining mustache and trimming the sideburns. It also must be used when you have a shave of over a week or two, because for stubbles this is not the right product to use on directly. In that case, you must run the trimmer first for lowering down the length of the hair, then run the shaver over face and you will get the closest shave ever. This shaver is completely safe to use everywhere on your body and you will not get any kind of cut or red patches if used properly. Its skin protection system guards your skin against nicks, cuts and bruises. It also has a LED display which shows various indicators symbolizing information like battery level indicator, shaving speed mode, charging indicator, washing reminder, travel lock indicator, and in addition to these, it has smart blocking protection which gets triggered when there is obstruction in the cutter head. On my first usage, I won't say I had the comforting shave as it takes a little time and learning to glide the shaver on the skin. But once you learn it, it will be the most comforting shave you ever had. And the level of shave is the best, which you can compare with some high-end razor which are definitely not cost viable if you shave daily or even twice or thrice a week. The circular motion of shaving is little hard to master and may take time to get used to it. The blades of the shaver have the best rounded edges. The shaver head gives excellent performance for a duration of up to 2 years. And by using a decent shaving foam or skin protection gel, the performance of this device will be further enhanced. The shaver head can be popped easily and rinsed clean under running water. So here's my final verdict. User experience comes with a cost, and so does the quality. If you are seeking a good quality men's cordless rechargeable shaver, you may be impressed with how well the So White ES3 shaver will do a great job of shaving your face. Not only does the shaver have a distinctive look, but you will be pleased with how the shaver will leave your face clean, smooth and irritation free. If the high price of this product pinch you, do consider that the user experience and quality of shave matters too. Overall, I think the product is capable of delivering closer shave and leaves a good feeling of quality shave on your face. Definitely worth the price. Go ahead and buy one for yourself without any doubt. Currently this shaver is not available in the Indian market, but you can easily import these from Banggood, and like always the Best Buy link will be there in the description, so do check them out if you're interested. So that was it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.